I got a friend got one of these trucks, and we be sharing information about well, what did he fix and what did he do, and that's the point in this video.
Yeah, I can see it. Where is it? See, that's the supply line, and that's the return going back. Both of them going back to the head, and that's return line always.
Place that all the way back
Back of the head. Oh yeah, see it is fine. And your wiper arms.
Yeah.
No moving now.
Yeah, cause I never could get a good wipe.
Yeah.
In the rain.
Yeah.
Put them two handles in there. There they go. Them wasn't ever there. Them turned off each tank. All right. What I gotta do? Oh, show me the old parts. Put my new start module in. Old one. Show me some parts.
It's so bad.
The hell is that?
That's your wiper arms.
Oh.
See that?
And that's why I would never. Okay, I see.
See that?
Okay.
I mean, there was. So you can see the fittings, you can't budge them. And these were leaking. All these were leaking.
Yeah, that's what I had bought when I called you. Like, is this what I'm supposed to have?
And I used one you had because these were stripped out.
Right.
And I bought the other one. See, it just wore out so bad.
It's probably all the factory parts, right?
See, the gap there, no gap there, so it's chewed in there.
Cause what I had replaced the arm itself. I didn't. Yeah. Right.
So,
oh, that's gonna be a good thing.
And that's one of the fuel lines, right there. Is one of the leaks. See the hole?
Yeah, I see it. Wow. You don't know how happy I am. You don't know how happy I am. Wow. Man, so that means I've been losing. Cause I would fill the tank up, and I knew I was getting decent fuel mileage, but I would get in situations like, man, that seemed like I thought the needle just was
Plus
off.
you're probably losing power, sucking no air.
Yeah, got to. Just have to. It's gonna be a whole new. And I gotta sit on there for 30 minutes before I could crank it.
Let it charge up.
That first initial charge, yeah. Start module packed, ready to go.
Tape.
Tape now. I'm thinking there's nothing in there. Oh, you got it. Okay. All right. Great. What am I looking? Computer there. Brand new module.
This one go to the starter?
Yeah. Yeah, cause that's the battery. Yeah, right. Yeah. Put this in. Oh, he got the sticker. Right. Oh, this. Wow. Okay. I mean, let's see if I got that other return sticker in here. Go find this FedEx and